Hello judges, this is Tammy with Amir today for his last treatment. We start since the end of October. So Amir presents stage of 6 and 7. She's left him very little hair on the top and the crown. So it's about like very thin, right?
Yes.
4 days after the first treatment, you realize that you can see follicles awaken.
Yes.
And 2 weeks later that we can see the size of the hair grow a lot. And I was using Benacel Pro #1 with the aftercare that he used both the Benacel enhancer, the spray with Benacel serum. I just want to push it a little bit more aggressive. Hopefully his hair's growing a little faster. But the Benacel I'm using together with the SMT, which is the scalp micro stimulator therapy, is promote hair circulation, the blood circulation, and draw more blood into the top of his head. So help his dormant follicles grow. What percentage do you think that your hair improved since we started?
More than 60% now.
60% now?
Yeah.
It's still growing though.
Still growing, yeah. You see
Yeah.
on the top.
Oh yes,
the
yes.
back and the front, almost before nothing.
Look, you can see the shadow there
Yeah.
too, right? Bring a lot of positive attitude
Right.
to everybody, right?
Yes.
I think the SMT, the machine therapy, help enhance the blood flow and nutrition, deliver nutrients into your scalp, right? While the Benacel Pros to activate and reduce shedding, right?
Right.
So overall, we get very good results so far.
Yes.
I'm very happy with the results so
No,
far.
you work hard. Thank you so much. Yes.
I want as much as you want it for
Yeah.
yourself. So I'm very happy. Thank you just to give me this opportunity to work on Amir, and we are very happy with the results so far.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Within 8 weeks,
Yes.
really fast.
Right.
So thank you so much. The Benacel was sponsor and support me to doing this for Amir, and we are happy with the results so far.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.